Your bobber. Where's your bobber? It's under. Reel. You're on. Yes, good job.
We're on.
Oh, nice. Good job. Let me see if I can get a second
Drag
one.
okay?
Yeah, your drag's good. Let me try if I can get a second one. Try to look for a shadow. Remember, because what they'll do is they'll do donuts. They'll make like a vortex.
Think they'll be around them birds at all?
I haven't noticed too much of a correlation with tarpon and birds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move down the beach, see if we'll see them again. If not, we'll send up the drone. But I think it seemed like the school was moving south. So if anything, we'll try to get south of them.
I've heard once you get like a distance out, they tend to all follow that same path, but I don't know if there's any truth to that.
Your bobber. Where's your bobber?
It's under.
Reel. You're on. Yes, good job.
We're on.
Oh, nice. Good job. Let me see if I can get a second
Drag
one.
okay?
Yeah, your drag's good. Let me try if I can get a second one. Good job. Nice job, Jim.
Well, I just didn't want to pull it yet. We felt the weight.
Let me see if I can get a second one. Tarpon on. That didn't take long.
No, I'm sure it doesn't always happen that way.
No, it doesn't. That was quick. Good job, man. Watch out, there's a camera right behind you.
Okay.
Just don't accidentally run into it. My line gets in your way. Good job, man.
Yeah, you put us on them.
I just didn't see your bobber. I was like, reel.
Yeah.
I didn't see your bobber. It just
know.
disappeared.
Now, I've heard that they start crunching it, and then you kind of reel up the slack, but I'm used to circle hook, like you say, it don't really... He's getting closer. I don't know if he's going to try to go into the boat, boys. Oh, they're in back of us, right in front of me, Ori.
You mind if I cast over there?
No, go right ahead. I think they're all around us.
Nice.
I might have to take this
Let
up
me try to
front.
see if I can get a double. Be careful with the trolling motor.
Okay.
How far back were they?
About 20 yards.
All right. He's going your way. Let me know, and I'll reel mine in if it's getting
I'll come under
close.
you. Don't worry about it. I'll come under you.
Okay. Go this way. You sure I'm not over you?
You're over. You're over.
I don't want to tangle up with you. All right. How big do you think that guy is?
He's a good 4 foot or more long.
They're right over there.
You can use the electric motor to bring us over there if you want.
It's okay. I don't want to pull against this fish because that's a really, really light setup. That's only 25-pound test. So
The braided.
yes, sir. Braid and 60-pound fluorocarbon. Hey, nice job. Thanks for coming along, brother. It's awesome.
What's it all about? Some audience over here.
Alright guys, welcome to this episode of Florida Fishery. Today is, I believe, May 29th, and we're out here tarpon fishing, and I'm with a subscriber, Jim. So,
Hey YouTubers.
we're out here, we pitched a pass crab and got a tarpon. First one, so. Still an early morning.
Oh, you want to get in on this?
No, it's all you, man. I'm really happy that we got onto one. How's that that reel handling him?
Seems to be fine. He's just like hanging tough down there. He's not really screaming out.
Yeah, go to the front.
First,
He's about to.
initial hit was the jump.
Yep.
Oh, I
He's
see a bobber.
Good stuff. Yeah, he's coming in. I have the drag pretty tight. He's not that big of a tarpon. He's probably the smallest one I've ever caught, but he's still good size.
You got gloves on to lip him?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh shit.
Get that out of here. Nice, good job. You can lift up around that.
He's coming back around the front again, I think, anyway.
Yeah. If you see like a shark or something start to chase him,
Yeah.
just open your bail.
Okay.
And let him try to get away.
Okay.
It's gonna be a while still before we bring him in. He's a little bit bigger than I thought. I'm gonna turn off the trolling motor. See if it goes to it.
Okay. I can't believe this is a 25-pound test braid.
Yeah, so just be easy on him, especially when it's vertical. Into it.
Back into the bobber.
Oh, it snapped. Snapped.
There's a bobber.
Well, oh, did we lose the bobber too?
Yeah. It's still hooked.
Well, hopefully we'll get another one. Hey, good job, man. You did really good. You did a really good job. There's nothing wrong there. It's just really a light line, so not much you can do, you know?
I tried to bow, but he just gave it a little bit too much of a head shake.
Fish on!
All right.
It hasn't jumped yet. I just tarpon up. He hasn't jumped yet.
No, just be ready. Be ready to bow. Be ready to bow.
Is that on?
I can't
Yeah, it's
tell.
on. It's on.
Okay. Can you do anything with the motor?
I can't believe this thing hasn't jumped yet. Here, rotate that camera towards me. Alright, got it. I don't think there's a tarpon, man.
What do you think? Is it a shark?
I don't know. If it hasn't jumped. Actually, it's gotta be a tarpon.
I think it's a tarpon. What are the chances? Come on. If you got a good head shake, it's probably
it's got a
tarpon.
good head shake. Something's about to jump. It's coming up to the surface.
Just be ready.
I just felt line like peeling off my reel. Do you want this guy?
No. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't think there's a tarpon, man. It just hasn't jumped.
They always jump.
They usually jump. But it's heavy.
There it is!
It's a big tarpon. Nice.
All right.
That was the first jump.
How was that jump?
Yeah. Jesus, he hasn't jumped very much. Yeah, he's gonna jump again.
Just check your drag.
Yeah, my drag. This one doesn't go too tight.
Okay.
And I got 40-pound test line on it.
I'm just looking to see if they're still rolling in back there.
If you can, get another cast on them. It'd be nice to have a double hookup.
Give me a heads up if you got to do anything with the movers.
Have you grabbed these guys by the mouth before?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just like sandpaper.
Yeah, I've grabbed, oh, look at him, there he is. Oh yeah. Here, point this camera towards me. There you go.
I don't know, how do I know what you're seeing by looking at the camera? Just, you better be careful with the prop.
This guy hasn't been much of a jumper, but still badass. Jeez, that's a big one, man.
He's a monster.
You see that one?
Yeah, he's a monster.
He's big as shit.
He's got a bucket mouth on him. Whoa, yeah!
Nice.
Nice! Yeah! Oh, I gotta get my camera.
Oh yeah, I got that.
Come on.
You're good. You just lay down on the ground. Hey, watch out, watch out. Okay. Put it on the ground. Oh, watch your line. I don't want you to get tangled up on me. Yeah, that one's big.
You're gonna need a bigger boat, Ori.
Go towards There they are over there.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, get ready to cast.
Okay.
Get ready to cast.
Okay. That would be sick.
That'd be sick if we got a double hookup. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're right in front of you. They're right in front of you. Hold on, okay? Make sure you keep that thing in the line roller.
Got it.
Yep, they're right in front of it. Keep it in the line roller. You're about to get hit. Look how, Jesus, that one is big. This one's huge, man. Holy crap. Look at the size of that beast.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish.
All right, all I gotta do is touch the leader. That's a caught fish. Hold your line. Your line.
I got it.
Here, come over this way.
I got it.
Come on up. Go ahead.
Okay. I think you're gonna be there a while.
Yeah, I don't think this guy's nowhere near done.
Just because he's close to the boat doesn't mean that much. That is a monster.
Dan, I thought you were gonna hook up too, man.
Yeah, well, this thing. I think we got company. Yeah, you got him. You got him. He's good. Okay, you come around.
He's big. He ain't giving up easily.
Get a break.
I got 40 on there. It's pretty strong.
Yeah, ready for another dance. Around the back.
Look at this.
Oh, yes! Yes!
Thought he came off for a moment.
Yeah, so did I.
Well, 2 tarpons so far. Not too bad, huh?
No. Are you kidding? That's excellent. If not for the line snapping, we would have had 2 at the boat.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use 25-pound anymore because that line did just straight up snap from tension.
I think the going setup is 40 pounds, from what I've heard. Whoa, watch prop. You don't have planers, do you? Or,
Oh, shit.
you're good. You're good.
This guy's going to be tough. He's so big. You know when they don't jump a lot? It's a real big one.
Yeah. Same thing with salmon.
Salmon jump?
Oh yeah.
Come on, guy.
And the bigger ones always go down. I think you're gonna have to come up front.
There we go. He's almost up.
He's a monster.
Yeah, it's a big one.
He's just about there, I think. I'm gonna get this in so I can lip him. You want me to lip him?
Yeah, if you want. Big old greenback, huh?
I'm okay as long as he doesn't come up here.
That's a catch, so the leader touch. Do you want gloves?
I didn't need them.
Alright.
Might have to revive him if we've got time.
I don't think he's that tired yet. I can tell you how many minutes it's been.
Okay.
It's been 9 minutes, so he's probably still green. I got the drag too tight, you know? Whoa, we're artificially. We're on a tarpon, y'all. Jesus, dude, that thing looks like it's over 150. Yeah, that's a big one, man.
I think I can lift him.
Let me give you some gloves.
Okay.
You want to hold her off for a second? You got it?
I think we're good to go. We're good to go. She's floating.
All right.
You ready? Coming. Coming right here. Come right here. You got it. Yeah, try to get your fingers in first. Like maybe your right hand. Watch it. Snap that heater down. You can't do it like a bass. You gotta put your fingers in.
Yeah, he's got. You gotta put your whole hand in, but he wasn't angled good.
Just try not to rub the line on it.
You want to try lipping him?
Yeah, sure.
All right, here's some gloves. Don't do it without gloves. Alright, he's right there. He's nice and ready.
Hey, as long as he swings around, I'll try.
Wanna come this way? Yeah, this guy's a monster. Just don't wrap your hand in the line or anything. Yeah, just be real careful. It's okay, it's okay. You're good. You're good. Thumbs in. There you go. Now hold grip tight, grip tight. Grip tight.
Hey, he's strong.
Yeah. Grip tight. Tight grip. There you go. Oh, look, he's right in the tip, too. Hooked right in the tip, huh?
Ah!
Oh, shit. Hold on. I don't want to hook it. Here. Hold it. Hold him by the mouth. Oh, he's going. He's going.
Right?
He's gone. We're good.
Okay, good.
All right, perfect. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Hell yeah. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching this episode. I want to thank Jim for coming out fishing with me today. So we hooked onto 2 tarpon, came out here pretty early. From 6 to 10, I like to try to get out early, especially on the weekends when there's going to be a lot of boat traffic. The gear that I'm using is right here. I'm using 30-pound braided main line, about 7 feet of 60-pound fluorocarbon leader. 5 feet up, I have a float, and we're using pass crabs for bait. We were specifically on Anna Maria island in this on today, and we were about, how would you say, like 150 yards off the beach, if that?
That's about right.
About 150 yards off the beach, right around like the first swim markers. We're just cruising down there, and we just run into tarpon. So we're doing that instead of jumping in the pass with like 50 other boats and stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. Jim, thanks for coming out with me.
Thank you, Ori. Great time.
Thanks. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace and tight lines. If you have any questions, just ask. Thanks.